fifth part regarding community health nursing syllabus for the JNM first year students. Okay, in remaining nursing process we are discussed the step is the evaluation. Okay, in previous video we are discussed that is the assessment, nursing diagnosis and planning. Okay, up to implementation also. Here evaluation we are focused in this video. The evaluation having the two steps. Okay, here first of all before going to evaluate we plan some goals, no? Okay, for assessment of patient, for improving their health care we are plan some goals. Okay, if we reached goals, what happens? If we are not reached our goals, what happened? That is evaluate by this step. Okay, now in evaluation goals achieved. Okay, in evaluation we are our planning, our implementation should be success. Okay, then our goals are achieved. Okay, appudu em avutadi anante success, the process should be end. Okay, now next if the evaluation not achieved our goals, okay, our goals is not achieved, then what happens? Again we are getting failure, means the patient health problem not cured. Okay, next what we are doing? Again we are doing that review of assessment. Okay, na mana yoka assessment lo ekkada teda vachindi, why the patient is not recovery their health. Okay, again we are doing the assessment. What are the health problems? What is the major problem? What is the minor problem? We should give some priority for the major problem. Okay, like that review of assessment. Okay, review of assessment and review of nursing diagnosis, review of planning. Okay, reassessment, replan, re-diagnosis, re-implementation, re-evaluation, up to success, up to reduce their health problems. Okay, nursing process lo 5 steps ఉంటాయి. ఆ 5 steps లో ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏంటి అని అంటే అసెస్మెంట్. అసెస్మెంట్ లో పేషెంట్ హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ని మనము ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా, నర్సింగ్ డయాగ్నోసిస్లో ఏంటి అని అంటే హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏ ఉన్నాయి, ఈ దేని వల్ల ఆ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది, మనం ఎలా ప్రూఫ్ చేయగలిగాం, ఈ మూడింటిని లింకప్ చేసి డయాగ్నోసిస్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా, ఆఫ్టర్ డయాగ్నోసిస్ వీ షుడ్ ప్లాన్ సమ్ కేర్. ఓకేనా, ఇన్ ప్లానింగ్ వాట్ we are doing, we should provide some nutrition, we should administer some drugs, we should give bed bath to the patient, or we should improve the personal hygiene, we should give health education on nutrition. Like that we are plan. Okay, in implementation what we planned that will be putting into the action. మనం ఏదైతే ప్లాన్ చేసుకున్నామో దాన్ని యాక్షన్ రూపంలో పేషెంట్కి ఇచ్చేస్తాం అన్నమాట. ఓకే, ఎవాల్యుయేట్ చేస్తాం. ఈ యొక్క మన యొక్క ప్లానింగ్ అనేది సక్సెస్ అయితే మన గోల్స్ రీచ్ అయినట్టు. ఓకేనా, ఒకవేళ మన ప్లానింగ్ అనేది నాట్ సక్సెస్, ఫెయిల్యూర్ అయింది, అప్పుడు మన గోల్స్ రీచ్ అవ్వలేదు, అగైన్ ప్రొసీజర్ రీస్టార్ట్. ఓకేనా, దట్ ఈస్ ద నర్సింగ్ ప్రాసెస్. నెక్స్ట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు అసెస్ ద కమ్యూనిటీ ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్. Okay, in community identification what we have to do means place, people, function. Okay, na, in community identification these 3 steps will be mainly very important. Okay, place, people, function. Okay, na, in place what we have to do means geographical area and geographical boundaries of community. Okay, now what is the geographical area of the community? In this we are identification of the size. Okay, now what is the size of geographical area, what is the census blocks, how many numbers or how much strength will be there. Okay, now in a geographical area 7 blocks will be there, or 3 blocks will be there, 4 blocks will be there, block A, block B, block D. Okay, block C. Like that we are divided some blocks, depends upon their census, పాపులేషన్ నెంబర్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని కమ్యూనిటీని బ్లాక్స్ వైజ్ డివైడ్ చేస్తారనమాట. okay na, for example SC colony SC block, BC colony BC block, or depends upon their some aspects, they are divided some blocks according to their census. Okay na. Next in this climate, the climate is very cool or very temperature, whatever it may be. Sometimes the health problems will be related to climate also, no, that's why we are identified what is the climate status. Next name of the area, next map of the area. Okay now, why? Because name of the area, different areas will be there, different people will be there, different blocks will be there. Okay, that's why we should identify the name of the area. Next map of the area and location of the area. Okay na, route map, physical setup. Next census, these and all we are called as the place or geographical area. In this geographical boundaries, okay, what are the geographical boundaries? Means politics in our country. Okay now, what is the politics in our country? That will be important effect on the geographical area. Okay, for example, the politician, great leader will be there in our block. C block means our block will be very neat. Okay, environmental sanitation will be there and some of the peaceful environment will be there. Okay, the environmental problems will be controlled. What is that? A normal water purification or water supply will be there, electricity supply will be, all is proper. Why? Because politicians will be there in our area. Like that, it will also impact on health. Okay, next one is the means of transportation. In a particular means how, what is the way for the transportation of one block to another block or community to central. Okay, that is the foot or bus or boat or train. Okay, what is the way of transportation of people from one place to another place for going to the hospital, how they are went. Okay, how they are transported. Okay, regarding that we are identified. Next another one is the population, this person. Okay, in person what we have to assess means demographical or social characteristics of an individuals. Okay na, social demographical characteristics and social characteristics of an individual. Next in functions. Okay, in functions what we have to do means maintain social control. Okay na, social control of an individuals or the community or the group. Next in community people, they are having good employment or unemployment. Okay, what is their personal health of the individual in community. Okay, regarding that we are identified. Next one is the population composition. Okay, in population composition what we have to do means size and number of population. Okay, size means total population, very high means the size is increased, less means small size. Okay, number increased or less. Next one is the rural area or urban area. Okay, the area is rural or urban. Next one is the patient, here the sex means patient female or male. Okay, what is their race, what is their caste. Okay, the patient is mother or child or handicapped. Okay, what is that? That will be identified in. Next one is the resources. Okay, in a health allied resources we are identified that resources like health institutions. Okay, in a health institutions what are the institutions will be available. Okay na, in community the community health center will be there or not. Okay na, PHC primary health center is there or not, SC sub center is there or not. ఓకే, ఇవన్నీ హెల్త్ రిలేటెడ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ అనమాట. కమ్యూనిటీ హెల్త్ సెంటర్లో హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి కావాల్సిన ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఇస్తారు. ప్రైమరీ హెల్త్ సెంటర్లో పిహెచ్సిలో హెల్త్ రిలేటెడ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ షుడ్ బి reduced by providing some care. Okay, sub center will be there. Okay na, some ESI hospitals also there, employees state insurance hospitals అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ అనేది ఉంటుంది, గవర్నమెంట్ సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ కానీ స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్స్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఆ యొక్క ఎంప్లాయర్స్కి హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏవైనా ఉంటే ఈ యొక్క ఈఎస్ఐ హాస్పిటల్స్లో వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సినటువంటి ట్రీట్మెంట్ అనేది ఫ్రీగా ఉంటుంది. Okay, next one is the voluntary health associations. Some of the voluntary hospitals, voluntary health care providers will be there in the society. Okay, or community health voluntaries will be there. They are received some health care. Okay, next one is the some Ayush hospitals also there. Okay, Ayurvedic hospitals, yoga hospitals, Unani hospitals, Siddha hospitals, next homeopathic hospitals. Okay, so these and all institutions will be available in the community people for reducing their health problems, for control their health problems, for improving their health, for maintenance of their health. Okay, now next one is the this health services. What are the health services will be available? Means in this the health services like RCH services. Okay, reproductive and child health services will be available. Next one is the this elderly services. Okay, elderly nothing but aged people. Okay, above 60 years. అలాంటి ఏజ్డ్ పీపుల్కి కూడా స్పెషల్ కేర్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడానికి ఎల్డర్లీ సర్వీసెస్ ఆల్సో అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ కమ్యూనిటీ. నెక్స్ట్ సమ్ హెల్త్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ హెల్త్ సర్వీసెస్ లైక్ హ్యాండిక్యాప్డ్. ఓకే, ఫిజికల్లీ హ్యాండిక్యాప్డ్ problems will be there, means for reducing their problems some services will be available. Some health counseling services. Okay, they are not required any care, but they required some counseling. Okay, they for example ART counseling centers will be there. Okay, HIV AIDS prevent చేయడానికి కావాల్సినటువంటి కౌన్సిలింగ్. ఓకే, హెచ్ఐవి ఎయిడ్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎలాంటి ప్రికాషన్స్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి, రాకముందు ఎలాంటి ప్రికాషన్స్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి, రిగార్డింగ్ దట్ సమ్ కౌన్సిలింగ్ సెంటర్స్ విల్ బి అవైలబుల్. Okay, not only HIV but also different types of diseases, they are providing some counseling on health related information. Okay, next one is the allied resources. Okay, in allied resources what happens means some natural resources will be there, some nutritional services will be there, some employment services will be there. Okay, in natural resources water services. Okay, water resources or nutrition resources or electricity resources or some land resources or some soil resources. Okay, or some types of professional. Okay, in financial resources, for example LIC agencies. Okay, life insurance act. Okay, corporation. Why? Through the LIC also they are having some resources. Okay, next one is the employment services or sometimes MTP. Okay, medical termination of pregnancy services or sometimes child labors. Okay, these and all controlled by this health allied resources. Okay, next IEC, information and communication, education communication. Okay na, health related కు సంబంధించినటువంటి ఎలాంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అయినా the services will be provided. Okay, communication means health related or health problems will be there, means they are sharing their feelings from the patient to nurse. Okay, for providing care the nurse will be sharing their feelings to the patient. Okay, some professional resources, for example some journals also available. Okay, some website will be there health related for getting any information. Okay, this is regarding steps of nursing process and this health allied resources.